Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Exercise 7.2, question number 1. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. The bisectors, that is OB and OC, intersect at O. Show that OB is equal to OC. We have to prove that OB is equal to OC. Also, AO bisect angle A. OA is the bisector of angle A. Proof. It is already given in the question. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. We have to prove that OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. When two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to these sides also equal by result 1. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. Angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. Because these two sides are equal, what is the opposite angle of this side AB? That is C. What is opposite angle of the side AC? That is angle B. So, angle ACB is equal to angle ABC by result 1. These two angles are equal. So, its half also equal. Half of angle ACB is equal to half of angle ABC. What is half of angle ABC? That is OBC. And half of angle ACB, that is OCB. That is angle OCB is equal to angle OBC. Therefore, in triangle OBC, angle OCB is equal to angle OBC. These two angles are equal. So, by result 2, OB is equal to OC. The two angles are equal, then the sides opposite to these angles will be equal. That is, angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. So, OB is equal to OC by result 2. Next, we have to prove that AO bisect angle A. That is, AO is the angle bisector of A. Then, consider these two triangles. We have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. That is, triangle AOB and triangle AOC. We already know that angle B is equal to angle C. So, angle ABO is equal to angle ACO. That is, angle B is equal to angle C. Then it's half ABO and ACO. These two angles are equal. It is also given in the question AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. We already proved in one OB is equal to OC. That is, OB is equal to OC. Then these two triangles are congruent. Triangle AOB congruent to triangle AOC. Triangle AOB congruent to triangle AOC by SAS. That is, two sides and included angle is equal. Then by CPCT, angle OAB is equal to angle OAC. That is, angle OAB is equal to OAC. That is, AO is the AO bisect angle A. Question number 2. In triangle ABC, AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AP is the perpendicular bisector of this side BC. That is, these two angles will be 90 degree. That is, APB is equal to APC is equal to 90 degree. Also, BP is equal to CP. In triangle ABC, AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. We have to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Then consider these two triangles APB and APC. AP is the common side. AP is equal to AP. That is common. Also, these two angles are equal. Angle APB is equal to angle APC is equal to 90 degree. It is already given in the question, perpendicular bisector. BP is equal to CP. It is also given. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So, these two angles are equal and BP is equal to CP. Then, two sides and the included angle is equal by SAS, triangle APB congruent to triangle APC. Then by CPCT, AB is equal to AC. These two sides are equal. So, ABC is an isosceles triangle.